Hello friends, today we are going to perform practical on a braking. In last year, we all have studied about braking methods of a DC machine. We all know there are three different types of braking, that is a dynamic, plugging and regenerative braking. Today we are going to see practical on a plugging. So this is a set or control panel for a plug-in where we will perform the practical. This is the switch which is now located at a normal run, and while plugging we will insert it in a downward switch in which the reverse voltage will be applied. Now we can see already we have given voltage. This is armature current, this is field current, and supply is given through variac. So variac is adjusted such that our motor is rotating, speed slightly means approximately 5% greater than its rated speed. So here we can see a motor where already speed is adjusted, and motor rated speed is 1500 rpm. Right now we have adjusted variac so that motor is rotating at a speed of 1575 rpm. Now first what we will do, we will remove this switch from normal run so that supply will be disconnected to the machine, and we will note down the time to slow down the method. As we all know, braking methods are applied to fast slow down of the machine. So let's see first by simply switching off the supply how much time motor takes to completely comes to the zero rotation. So here I have adjusted a stopwatch. I will remove this switch. At the same time I will start the stopwatch to note down the timing. So we can see motor is getting slower down, and timing also we can see. So let's see how much time exactly it takes to completely come to the 0 rpm or 0 speed. Voltage is also getting down. Still machine is rotating. So it has come to almost 0. I will press stop when it will come to exactly 0. Stop. So see here we can see it took around 1 minute 2 seconds to completely rest the motor, completely to come into 0 rpm, and voltage is also become 0. Now we are going to perform same practical and with the plugging. Now what we will do first, let's switch off the supply. Okay, arrangement is a resume. Now what is plugging? Plugging is a method in which while running we simply reverse the supply of armature. So what happens, already we always apply voltage V, and back EMF EB is always in opposition to the applied voltage V. Now when we will swap the supply, it means from normal run we will put it to the plugging, means supply polarity will be changed. As supply polarity will be changed, motor will tends to rotate in the opposite direction. So now voltage, that is applied voltage V and EB will be not in opposite direction but will be in same direction. So 2V voltage will be applied. So to limit that high current, we have applied switch over here, resistance over here. So due to this resistance, current will not go to the high limit. Now as this 2V, that is EB plus V, EB is approximately equal to V. So 2V voltage will be applied against the motor, so that high torque will be developed, that is a braking torque, and motor will come to the rest very fast. So let's perform this practical again. So I am varying this variac to get a speed 5% more than rated speed. Okay, so now motor is rotating at a RPM of 1575. Now let's perform the practical by plugging. So now what I am going to do, I will simply remove this switch from normal run, means it will cut off the supply, and I will put it to the plugging. It means it will reverse the supply, and let's see how much time motor takes to come to the zero position. At the same time, I will start this stopwatch. So we can see very fast motor is coming down to zero. I will stop the stopwatch when it will completely come to the zero. See here. See here. It took around 15 seconds only. So in previous case, we studied that it took around 1 minute and 02 seconds to raise down to 0, and with plugging, it took only 15 seconds. Means for emergency braking, instead of mechanical braking, we can prefer such types of braking where speed can be or motor can come to the rest within a 15 seconds. Now, when motor come to the absolutely zero or exactly zero, we have to switch off the supply. Otherwise, as we have applied reverse voltage, motor will try to rotate in a opposite direction. So this is how we have performed practical on a plugging. Thank you.